Hello, beautiful queens. Welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. Today, I am giving you another bomb wig review, but before we get started, I need you to do a few simple things for me. First, I need you to definitely smash that subscribe button and join this amazing queendom. We are queens united and we slay together, honey. You do not want to miss being a part of this family. All you have to do is click the red subscribe button and you will be a part. All right, so aside from that, I need you guys to definitely follow me on all my social media at Queendom Mindset, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, all of that, so we can keep up with each other. And make sure you guys check out my new book, The Wig Game. It is on Amazon.com under The Wig Game, and I know you'll love it. And last but not least, join us on Facebook at The Queen's Connection. All right, let's get started. So the unit I'm giving you guys today is Bobbi Boss MLF 315. This is Miriam. This is a lace front unit. The color that I have is a slight brown color, and I'll leave that exact color in the description. But I really just don't know how to feel about this unit, you guys. Like, I don't know. So it does come with baby hairs. The unit comes in like this crinkly, curly type pattern. Like if you were to have wet hair and place mousse on it and let it dry, that's kind of what it looks like. As you can see here, I did lay down the baby hairs and cut them a little bit shorter, the ones that came with it. And I did also add concealer to my parting. So anyways, I brushed it out. And this is the final result. As you can see the difference on the brushed out side and the side that's still in that crinkly state. I did like the brushed out side better. But honestly, I don't know if it's the color. I don't know if it's just the feel of the wig. Something just didn't fit me. Now on someone else, I'm sure this would definitely be gorgeous, but for myself it just didn't really mesh. And the unit is not a bad unit, it is big head friendly, but it just wasn't for me. Now this may look better in like a 1B, probably most likely, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final absolute 100% thoughts and let you guys know if this is a yes or a no in my book. Make sure you guys comment and tell me what you think. Okay, queens, I'm ready to give you all the information on this unit that I'm wearing and my 100% honest opinion. So this is Bobbi Boss MLF 315. This is Miriam in the color F4/2730, and this is a handmade deep part, 5 inches deep center part premium synthetic wig, and it is a lace front with Swiss lace. So you guys, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm really confused about Miriam. I like her, but then I don't like her. Something about the curls. So when I first took it out the package, as you guys saw, it was like more of a crinkly, curly, like you would wet hair that you put mousse on, and I just wasn't feeling it, so I decided to brush that out. And now it's better, but it's still like these pieces of hair that's just like, I don't even know. I guess it's like a wet wavy type thing. I'm not sure. This would probably be a lot cuter in a more natural color like 1B. I thought this would be natural enough, but honestly, it's just giving me like weird, like back here, I just feel like a wild cave woman or something. Like, I don't even know. I don't think I would wear this color on my skin tone out like that. So this is supposed to be kind of like a messy bob type look, and for the most part it is cute. I do want to let you guys know that I have experienced so much shedding, it's not even funny. It's not to the point where I would never wear it out in public, but it has been a lot of shedding with this unit, and I've just been pulling out hair. I have a little bit of tangling, not much of that, but definitely the shedding. The cap is big head friendly, and this length I'm thinking is like 10 to 12 inches. So yeah guys, make sure you guys let me know what you think about this unit. Do you feel like, you know, it's a no? Because I don't know how to feel right now. Like, I'm trying to process and I don't know. So yeah, let me know guys. Love you all so much. Make sure you share this video with anybody you know and subscribe before you leave. See you later.